Hey guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Planting with Jewelyn episode, doing a DIY. I am fixing up the front of my space to do a bigger plant shelf. So I have all of my DIY products. You guys already seen this on my channel, but I'm expanding it and I think I'm going to change the look of it where it's going to be like a step versus one over the other. So just to kind of give it a different look. So I'm picking up more supplies. I'm going to change out the wood and make it longer. This is 7 feet each. But I just wanted to kind of stop by the houseplant section just to see what they had. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'm just going to leave the cart here because it just takes a lot for me to just walk around with all that wood and supplies. Plus I have Ebby here and then vlogging. It's too much for me. So I'm just going to leave my thing here and just do a quick little walk around. And then we're going to go home and do the rest of my little DIY project, putting it together. So I'm here in the Playa Vista location. It's about 10 miles from me, so very far. Closed in my neighborhood, and there isn't another hardware store that is closer to me. This is the closest one, 10 miles away. So I just wanted to come by and see what they had and see prices. It is planting season. $11 for this fern. Look at how pretty that is. I love ferns. It reminds me of Hawaii. I just wanted to kind of come by this section and see if they had anything interesting that I don't have already in my collection, and just kind of see what they have, because you never know. These places always has interesting things. Look at how beautiful this is. Alright, going through. $11. It's a compacta. Anything interesting? Got some MONSTERAs here. Alright, there's some ferns down here. I'm just trying to see if they have anything unique. Let's see here. Just never know. Alright guys, so I'm back at home. I have my bricks waiting for me on the side, but I wanted to go ahead and just share with you this process here. So I use the Thompson's water seal, and I did this pretty much for all of my shelves that I did do the DIY brick and wood method, but I wanted to just go ahead and share it with you. I'm going to do this part first, and then I'm going to edit my video for tomorrow's upload, teach a client, come back, and then do the rest of the DIY shelf. I'm really excited to do a whole new look for it, and this is going to be definitely longer, so I'm really excited to style the plants with its new shelf. And I think once I'm done with a few more projects, then I'll feel better about filming my spring 2019 plant tour. So just wanted to show you this process, and then I'll come back later in the day and finish up the rest of my little DIY project. So I'm just spraying a coat of this on. So this is step 1 completed. I'm gonna go ahead and finish editing my video for tomorrow, go ahead and teach my client for the day, come back, and then put together the shelf. Alright guys, so now I'm back in my home. It's 5 p.m. I finished teaching my client for the day and editing tomorrow's video. So I'm gonna wrap up my little DIY plant shelf and set up for the front. I can't wait to see what it looks like, but the first thing I want to do is take everything off and sweep out this place. Same thing what I did with my grandma last time when we redid this shelf. But I'm going to try to switch up the layout in a stepped ladder position versus going one over the other. So I'm really excited. I'm going to take everything off and then restyle it with the new shelf. done doing my new shelf. It is longer and I designed it to make it like a step two-tier instead of a one over the other two-tier. So I'm really excited. I have more room. I'm gonna go ahead and style the plants now. Guys, here is the final look of my updated plant shelf, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Stay tuned. This will be part 1 of my spring 2019 plant tour for my current collection, but I think that was a very fast and easy quick upgrade. I believe the supplies for the new 2 boards and the 12 extra bricks cost me right under $15, so fairly inexpensive, and I love the look of the step 2-tier versus one over the other. It gives it more dimension, and I can see the plants nice and evenly. And now that second shelf is out and fully in the sun, and that's gonna work out better for my plant babies, so I'm glad I switched up the look of the shelf. To wrap up today's video, I'm really excited I was able to do this for the front of my house before I do my spring 2019 plant tour. This will be part 1 of my plant tour for spring 2019. Stay tuned. I'm definitely going to be doing a spring 2019 plant tour of my current collection very soon. I just want everything to kind of be where I want it to be. A few more projects I want to do for my space before I go ahead and film the tour, but this was definitely something I wanted to do for part 1 of my plant tour, was fixing up this shelf. But stay tuned. I will go ahead and break down the collection in my tour video, and if you haven't watch my end of the year plant tour for 2018, go ahead and check it out on the channel. You can see how far my collection has came from the last couple of months up until now. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on my daily uploads. I do daily videos on this channel inspiring you every morning at 5 a.m. I hope you guys enjoy seeing the process of me upgrading my plant shelf. And I mean, just looking at it from this point of view, I'm really excited to finish up styling the front of my house and gearing it up for my spring 2019 plant tour. So stay tuned. This will be part 1 of my upcoming tour, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. You can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye.